welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Riley, also known as RileyX3 on Twitch. I am a variety streamer on Twitch, and in my community we like to play multiplayer games like Fortnite, Fall Guys, Among Us, and Nintendo games, and we also like to try out new games from time to time. If you're from my community, you probably already know what this YouTube video is about. My first PC build. Well, kinda. Technically, my first PC build was unfortunately deleted off my phone because I thought it was a good idea, well, an easier idea, to use my phone to record my PC build instead of my digital camera that has much more space on it. And in doing so, my phone ran out of storage and the videos of my first PC build are deleted, erased, gone. Turns out that my 4090 GPU was, in my head, too big for the case that I had bought it for. So then I got a new case, which was the NZXT H9 Elite, and I'm actually glad that I decided to get a new case, even though the only thing I truly needed was a 90-degree PCIe adapter. Shout out to Paul at Paul's Hardware on YouTube. I actually followed his YouTube channel step by step on how to build my PC and got parts based on his recommendations. I am super happy with how my PC turned out. I will have all those parts listed down in the description of this video for those that are interested. If you enjoy this video or just want to help support me on my YouTube journey, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. It helps me more than you know. And just a reminder to my community and friends, I would not be able to be doing any of this without you guys, and I love and appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for everything that you've done for me. Okay, let's watch this hot mess express build a PC. I need a gaming room.
Bruh.
you flip, you turn it off. Oh my god.
Diving deep into the waves, babe. I know that you wanted to. It's a risk worth taking, even if it's over soon.
Okay.
Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on.